Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shrimatre Namaha. Welcome to Vedajanani, Narayaniyam, Dashakam 21. The Varnana and the worship in the continents. Dashakam 21 will be chanted in Vrittam Vasanta Tilakam. Shloka 1. Hey Guruvairappa, in the middle of the earth, there is a place called Ilavrita. It is populated only by women with Gauri as their chief, and Shiva is in his form as half men and half women as Ardhanarishvara. They all worship you with hymns and praise you. Hey Krishna, I also worship you only. मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृत नाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधान वनिता जनमात्र भाजी शर्वेण मंत्र नुदिभिः समुपास्यमानं संकर्षणात्मकमधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम् मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृत नाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधान वनिता जनमात्र भाजी शर्वेण मंत्र नुतिभिः समुपास्यमानं संकर्षणात्मकमधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम्. Shloka 2. Hey Krishna, to the east of Ilavrita is Bhadrashrava, where the sages called Bhadrashravas sing and worship you. You reside there as Hayagriva, the horse-faced god, who retrieved the Vedas which were lost in the cosmic deluge. I also meditate upon you only, Krishna. भद्राश्रवनामक इलावृत पूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्षिभिः परिणूयमानम् कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरण प्रवीणम् ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्. भद्राश्रवनामक इलावृत पूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्षिभिः परिणूयमानम् कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरण प्रवीणम् ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्. Shloka 3. Hey Guruvayurappa, Harivarsha is to the south of Ilavrita, where Prahalada and followers worship you with a majestic body, calm temperament, and having white robes, as the bestower of knowledge and supreme Brahman Narasimha. I also meditate upon you only, Krishna. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिम् एकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिम् एकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. Shloka 4. Hey Parandama, Ketumala is to the west of Ilavrita, which is very beautiful region, and where you are worshipped by Lakshmi and sons of Brahma. You took on the form of Manmada, the god of love, to fulfill Lakshmi's desire, and with a charming smile, you were indulged in your Leela activities. I also worship you only, Krishna. वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम् लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानम् तस्या प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम् वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम् लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानम् तस्या प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्. Shloka 5. Hey Vishnumurti, Ramyaka is to the north of Ilavrata, where you are praised and worshipped by Vaivasvatamanu in your form of fish. You who is kind to your devotees shine in their hearts of all people without jealousy and are free from attachments when it is worshipped in the form of fish. Hey Krishna, I too worship you in the form of fish incarnation. Ramyepyudīchi khalu ramyakanamni varshe tadvarshanathamanuvarya saparyamanam bhaktaikavatsala hrutsubhantam मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम् रम्येऽप्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमानम् भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तम् मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम्. Shloka 6. Hey Krishna, you are the light of pure conscience. Hiranmaya, which is to the north of Ramyaka, you are worshipped by Aryama here, who is the chief of Pitrus. You are in the form of the tortoise that could bear the Mandara mountain on its back. I also meditate upon you, Krishna. Varshe hiranmaya samahvayam autaraham asina madridhruti karmatha karmatangam samsevate pitrugana pravaroryamahyam tam tvam bhajami bhagavan परिचिन्मयात्मन् वर्षे हिरण्मय समाह्वयम् औतराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृति कर्मठकामटाङ्गम् संसेवते पितृगण प्रवरोर्यमायम् तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परिचिन्मयात्मन्. Shloka 7. Hey Vishnu, to the north of Hiranmaya is the northern region of Uttara Kuru. You are worshipped with sacred chants and songs of praise by your dear spouse, goddess of earth. You are worshipped by wise scholars as Yajna Varaha Murti with a huge body with the tusks touching the clouds in your form as boar. Kinchotareshu kurushu priyaya dharanya samsevito mahita mantra nuti prabhedaihe. दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते। किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रियया धरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः। दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते। श्लोका 8. Hey Vishnu, Kim Purusha lies to the south of Ilavrita, where you are worshipped by Hanuman with his unwavering firm devotion on you, as Rama, who shines with wonderful form in the company of Sita. Hey Vishnumurti, please protect me also. यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा। सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मक परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो। यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा। सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मक परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो। श्लोका 9. हे कृष्णा, in the Bharatavarsha, you are worshipped by Narada and others of the region of Bharata with chants and hymns revealing the principles in Sankhya and Yoga. Narayana, in the company with Nara, protect all good-natured people till the cosmic dissolution for the entire period. Please Krishna, protect me also. Shri Naradena Saha Bharata Khanda Mukyaihi Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nutibhis Samupasyamanaha. Akalpakalamiha sadhu janabhirakshi Narayano narasakha परिपाहि भूमन्। श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः। आकल्पकालमिह साधु जनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन्। Shloka 10. Hey Krishna, all the devotees worship you as the sun in Plaksha, as the moon in Shalmala, as the fire in Kusha, the Kushadvipa, as the water in Krauncha, as the air in Shaka, and as Brahman in Pushkara. प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिवह्निरूपम्। क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम् अथ वायुमयं च शाखे त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः। प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिवह्निरूपम्। क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम् अथ वायुमयं च शाखे त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः। Shloka 11. Hey Krishna, hey Mahavishnu, who always reclines on the ocean of milk. You are meditated upon in three sandhyas, dawn, noon, and dusk, as the great Shimshumara, to whose limbs are assigned the various stars like Dhruva and planets by noble persons. I plead you humbly to protect me from my sufferings, Krishna. सर्वै ध्रुवादिभिरुडुर्प्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेषु अवयवेषु अभिकल्प्यमानैः त्वं शिंशुमार वपुषा महतामुपास्य सन्ध्यासुरुन्धिनरकं मम सिन्धुशायिन् सर्वै ध्रुवादिभिरुडुर्प्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेषु अवयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः त्वं शिंशुमार वपुषा महतामुपास्य सन्ध्यासुरुन्धिनरकं मम सिन्धुशायिन्. Shloka 12. Hey Guruvayurappa, I worship you in the form of Adishesha, residing in the Patala Loka, having 1,000 heads, but only one swinging ear ornament, wearing a blue garment, having a plough surrounded by Nagakannikas around you. I beg you, Krishna, to eradicate all my ailments. पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिजुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ. पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ. सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.